So, good day everyone. This is welcome. Good day everyone. Welcome to this channel. So, I'll be analyzing these pairs: SAUSD, GBP, CHF, CAD, CHF, Euro USD, CAD USD, etc. So, this is 1 week time frame. I've already viewed the market from monthly. I've seen the market structure. From weekly, I've seen what I could mark out. As you can see, I've already marked out the the fatal point of the trade. So let's move to 4 hour. You can see 4 hour. I was expecting, as you can see, 4 hour. It all speaks about this market coming to the downside. Wait, let me do this market coming to the downside, breaking a retest of this level, then creating a bearish engulfing candlestick. Actually, I entered this market around, that is, yes, I entered this market on Friday, so I'm still holding. So I'm expecting it to just reaches this level for me to take my profit. So let's move to Euro USD. Let's see Euro USD is giving us from, you can see Euro USD has been forming this kind of market. So at weekly time frame, let's see the market. You can see at this level the market keep creating something like a ranging market at this level, but it break out of this ranging level to the downside, then move to the upside of the market. So at this level it came back here to break and retest this level, then it comes to this level, break and retest it. But little do we know, the market has been repeating one certain thing. It touches this place, go to the downside. It touches this place, then move to the downside. Then I'm expecting the market to just come to this level, break and retest it. But the way it break and retest this level, it gives me an opportunity to buy. But let's move to the daily time frame. If it does exceed this blue line, that means the market is going for a what? For a bullish uptrend. But when I zoom into a daily time frame, the daily time frame is giving me different opportunities. You can see it has been coming from the what? Coming from the downside towards the upside, and here it has been creating something like a reversal pattern. So let's move to the 4 hour time frame. So at the 4 hour time frame, here it is. It doesn't give me an opportunity, but if it does give me an opportunity, I'll be expecting something like a break and retest of this level, then moving to the upside, or it just come to the downside here, break and retest this level as expected before, then move to the downside. You can see I've been looking for opportunity to sell in this market, but it doesn't give me a proper signal, which I didn't enter at all. So I was expecting the market to just come here, break and retest this level. Like I was expecting the market to just come here, break and retest this level, then move to the downside. But it does come here, go back to the upside. So in this situation, I will be expecting a very clean break and retest of this level, then move with a bullish engulfing candlestick, then moving to the upside. So I'm going to buy. Or it does come to this downside, break and retest this level, bearish engulfing candlestick, then move to the downside. So Euro USD, let's see how it moves next week. So AUD card. UD card. First laugh. So AUD card has been giving us, look at a weekly time frame. You can see the market come down here, break and retest this level, then trying to move to the downside. But let's wait for another confirmation. To me, 1 week is saying sell, then one day is also saying what? It's also saying sell. But let's wait for it. We haven't seen any full confirmation yet. So what do we need? What do we need now? We actually need a clean break and retest. That is come to the downside here, go to the upside. Then we are looking for a bearish engulfing candlestick that engulf this level. Then we are going to sell. Is either we sell at this level, looking for a bearish engulfing candlestick, or we sell at this level, either of the two. So it's going to give us a huge opportunity. We could take our profit at this level, 4.9 risk reward ratio. So let's move to GBP USD. GBP USD, as you can see in the market, let's see. Opportunity for what? Opportunity for sell. It has been forming weekly time frame. It has been forming an uptrend. It's a short time. To me, it's a short term sell. Yeah. Weekly, it has been forming an uptrend, trying to correct. But here it is trying to create a market reversal pattern. So it's come here to break and retest it. 4 hour. So I'm expecting what? At 4 hour, you can see it comes to the upside, break and retest this level. So I'll be expecting a clean bearish engulfing candlestick at this level to enter the trade. So I haven't entered the trade yet, but I'll be expecting a very clean bearish engulfing candlestick to enter it. So here's the JPY. Yeah, last week I analyzed this trade and I was expecting it to give me a very huge sell, because you can see coming from the upside, market correction at this level, weekly time frame. Let's move to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame is giving us this. Though I was expecting it to just break and retest this level, bearish engulfing candles, then move to the downside. Let's move to the 4 hour time frame.